What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Built all-day lunch bag in black and gray I picked up at Walmart for $13.94. Out of 5 stars, it gets 3.5 out of 3 customer reviews. Today I figured we would do a little bit of an unboxing, of first impressions, and a comparison. We're going to compare it to just your standard grocery bag. For those of you who are like me and pack your lunch in a grocery bag, today is the day you might want to consider getting a new lunch box, because this one, like I said, was only $13.94. Gets 3.5 out of 5 stars, which is pretty respectable. And like I said, you can pick it up at Walmart, which is pretty nice. I believe Walmart does offer free shipping on all items over $10, or free shipping on items over $35. So maybe pick this up and, I don't know, a Built piece of Tupperware to store some other food items in. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the lunch bag here. So it is insulated to keep lunch fresh. It can fit 9 cans or any Built bento. So like I said previously, I think Built does make Tupperware. So you can also get Built Tupperware amongst other things amongst this lunch box. And if you guys were curious, yes, the lunch boxes are next to the Tupperware at Walmart. The Built all-day lunch bag in black and gray does have a large capacity with spacious interior and large opening, which allows for easy packing and cleaning. So if we actually take a look at the front compartment here, it is wide and deep, so you can pretty much fit anything in there. Just to test this out real quick, I've got a bottle of water here, and we can go ahead and close up this zipper just to see if we can fit the water bottle in there tall ways instead of having to lay it down. And as you can see, I was able to zip that up pretty easily there. So yes, it does have a large capacity with spacious interior and large opening for easy access and easy cleaning. Zipper doesn't run as smooth as I would like it to be, but like I said, this bag was only $13.94 and it's a lunch box, right? So it's not like the highest quality product you can expect, but it is good enough. So we'll throw the water bottle out there. And as you can see, what's really nice is it does have a pocket here on the inside. It's like a netting to maybe store things in. So I've actually got just a napkin here. We'll go ahead and we'll stuff the napkin down in there. And I actually was messing around with this video prior to this one. I was just testing out how I was going to present this. And what I realized was that you don't want to put silverware in this netting because if you're going to fold up the lunch box, it's not going to close quite right. So this netting, I don't suggest you put silverware in it. And in fact, I would just lay your silverware down into the lunch box there. The lunch bag features 2 exterior zippered pockets. So if we go ahead and close up that main pocket, rotate the bag off to the side, we can see that you get a pretty nice zippered pocket. And again, I would even suggest putting your utensils in this zippered pocket here. If you lay them down sort of diagonally, then you can close them up. I did try to stuff the water bottle in here previously, but I wasn't able to. Let me go ahead and just demonstrate for you what exactly you can fit in these side pockets. So as you can see, the water bottle is sticking out just slightly there. It's a little bit too tall for the side pocket, but you know, like I was saying previously, you could just stuff a napkin in there and utensils. If we rotate the bag to the other side, there is another zippered compartment. It is the same size, width, and depth as the other side compartment, and basically the same depth as the lunchbox itself, which is really nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and, also there is a really nice handle on the top of the lunchbox there, if you guys can see that, which makes it really easy to carry around, and also a shoulder strap so that you can carry it on your shoulder. Okay, so now that we've taken a look at the lunchbox, we're gonna go ahead and do a comparison. I'm gonna compare storing items in a grocery bag, which many of us do, to storing your items more organized in this lunch bag. So we'll go ahead and push that lunchbox off to the side there, and we'll go ahead and just lay this bag out real nice for you. So I've actually got a few items here. I've got this piece of Tupperware. It doesn't have anything in it, but just for demonstration purposes, we'll go ahead and put that in there. We'll go ahead and put our bottle of water. We'll lay it down in there, as you can see. So we've got a bottle of water, and we've got our Tupperware there. And then maybe we'll go ahead and just wrap up. We'll just go ahead and wrap up some silverware here and stuff it down in there. Let me move this off to the side for you so you can see better from that angle. We've got a banana here, so we'll throw that in there. An apple, if you're so inclined to eat an apple and a banana in the same day. And a bag of potato chips. And as you can see, it's all just kind of disorganized, and you know, this bag could rip, it could tear, and things could fall out. Also, it's not going to be as well insulated as the lunchbox. Okay, so now that we've basically just seen exactly how disorganized it is to use a grocery bag, let's go ahead and see how exactly we would arrange all of these items in our lunch bag. So we've got the lunch bag here with its large main opening compartment, its insulated interior, and 2 side compartments. So I think what I would start off by doing is wrapping up the silverware here in our napkin. And I think I'm going to put the silverware in the side pocket there and sort of lay it down diagonally. I'm going to keep the side pocket open because I don't know if I want to put something else in there or not, but we'll take the Tupperware, we'll lay it down. As you can see, the Tupperware is taking up most of the space on the inside, but luckily, because this main compartment is deep enough, we can still lay our bag of chips on top there. We can then maybe put our banana in. Yeah, we can put our banana in just fine. And I think also we could get our apple on top there. And we'll just go ahead and zipper this main compartment up real quick just to make sure that everything does fit in there accordingly. So we'll go ahead and we'll just zip up this main compartment here. What's actually really nice and what I like is the main compartment does have 2 zippers there, as you can see. So they are meeting up at one central location there. So if you do have a problem getting multiple items in the lunch bag, there are 2 zippers so that you can sort of adjust it how you want to. And then last but not least, we got to get our bottle of water in there, which might be a little bit too tall for this side compartment. Let's go ahead and maybe change something up here. So let's see if we can put the apple in the side compartment there. And that fits a little bit better, I think. And then we'll go ahead and zip this up, and we'll go ahead and maybe take out the bag of chips. It is possible that I am overpacking this lunchbox, but we'll go ahead and put the chips in there. And what's really nice, so let's see, we've got the bottle of water in the back there, we've got the chips on top, we've got the Tupperware at the bottom, we've got the banana on the side. I'm not utilizing that netting, but that's okay. But what's really nice is, like I mentioned earlier, this opening, this main opening, is actually really versatile. And as you can see there, I only needed 1 zipper. So that actually worked out pretty well. It took me 2 tries to get all of that in there, which actually was a lot. Anyways, you know, that's a pretty decent little lunch box or lunch bag for $13.94. You can get a decent amount of stuff in there, which I really like. So as you can see, yeah, there is a lot of stuff in there. That's a pretty decent sized Tupperware, by the way. I mean, that's like big enough for like a nice meal. You could put some rice and chicken in there. You could put a nice stew in there. And of course, last but not least, we've got our banana in this main compartment. So anyways, guys, that has been the Built All-Day Lunch Bag in black and gray. I picked up at Walmart for $13.94. Out of 4 stars, it gets 3.5. Not quite sure why it gets 3.5 stars, but my assumption is that this bag is not the best quality lunch bag you can buy. I'm sure you can find something a little bit nicer than this, but then again, you're gonna end up paying more. And if you really want to eliminate the use of plastic bags in your everyday life for whatever reason, because it's bad for the environment, or just because, you know, it's not as organized or as nice or as well insulated as a lunch bag, then this is a great option to go with at $13.94. My name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you hit that like and subscribe, you can see more content like this. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.